Thanks for joining me today at InvestorIdeas.com, Cleantech and Climate Change podcast, looking at today's problems and solutions for the future. I'm your host, Dawn Van Zandt, founder of InvestorIdeas.com, and hoping to share our way of making a difference in climate change. Good morning. Today we're looking at the ever-growing investor and consumer appetite for electric vehicles. XPeng Inc., trading on the NYSE, XPEV, a smart electric company, announced on August 26 the pricing of its IPO of 99,733,334 ADS shares, each representing two Class A ordinary shares of the company at a public price offering of $15 per ADS. In addition, XPeng has granted the underwriters a 30-day option to purchase up to an aggregate of 14,959,999 additional ADSs. The gross proceeds from the offering is $1.5 billion, excluding an exercise of the underwriter's option to purchase additional ADSs. The stock began trading on the New York Stock Exchange on August 27th and instantly traded up as high as 25, an instant win for investors, and then falling back to the low 20s in the next few days. Tesla Inc., trading on the NASDAQ, TSLA, the coolest of the EV stocks, has gained over 1,000% in the past year. Tesla announced on August 11th the board of directors had approved and declared a 5-for-1 stock split of Tesla's common stock in the form of a stock dividend to make stock ownership more accessible to employees and investors. Each stockholder of record of August 21st, 2020 received a dividend of 4 additional shares of common stock for each one held, to be distributed after the close of trading on August 28, 2020. Trading did begin on a stock split adjusted basis on August 31st, 2020, and of course, the stock was up again. NIO Limited, trading on the NYSE, NIO, a pioneer in China's premium smart electric vehicle market, announced on August 20th the launch of the innovative battery-as-a-service subscription model and the establishment of Wuhan Weineng Battery Asset Company Limited. The BaaS model will allow users to purchase electric vehicles and subscribe the usage of battery packs separately. The first vehicle under the BaaS model has completed this process of license plate registration, insurance purchases, and auto financing. All users who purchase NIO vehicles are now eligible to place orders with the BaaS model. NIO stock has moved from a low of 119 to a high of 2097 in the past year. Quite a ride. To hear more Cleantech podcasts, visit the Cleantech and Climate Change page on Investor Ideas. You can find it on our top template. Also, Investor Ideas has a lineup of other podcasts and themes, including the AII, the Crypto Corner, our cannabis podcast called Cannabis News and Stocks on the Move, rated one of the top investor podcasts in the sector, Play by Play, a podcast looking at sports and esports news, and Exploring Mining. To listen to any of our podcasts, visit our podcast page on Investor Ideas at investorideas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Play Music, and most audio platforms available to you. If you like any of our podcasts, we would appreciate you recommending them or reviewing them on your audio platform. And to help you follow and track clean tech and renewable energy stocks, Investor Ideas has created a directory of publicly traded stocks in the sector. You can find that by going to our homepage, looking on the sidebar and looking at renewable energy and environmental themes, and you'll find our stock directories there. Investor Ideas does remind all of investors to read our disclaimers and disclosures on our site. You can find them at investorideas.com/about-disclaimer.asp. It is important to read these. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded that all investment involves risk and a possible loss of investment. Thank you again and have a great day.